Delivering high quality lead and zinc products starts with managing every step, from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing finished goods with precision. Each phase of the lead and zinc journey demands accuracy. Streamline your supply chain with integrated platform. Monitor lead scrap, sponge, and production workflows effortlessly. Manage BOMs, plan materials, and track key metrics for accurate recovery and variance analysis. Breakdown analysis is crucial, allowing you to assess performance on a date, shift, and equipment wise basis. This ensures you can identify and address issues promptly. Quality control is paramount. Lighthouse ERP delivers precise data on production costs and plant performance, ensuring traceability of finished goods to raw materials with seamless operation system integration. Effective material handling is essential for maintaining efficiency. The system tracks all inward and outward movements at security gates, weighbridges, quality labs, and storage locations, ensuring that materials are managed efficiently throughout the production process. Our efficient supply chain solution ensures accurate raw material costing for aluminium scrap based on recovery rates while strictly managing stock movements, issue, and returns from the yard. During production, the system carries out batch-wise tracking for semi-finished and WIP items, ensuring complete traceability from raw materials to finished goods. Experience complete control over your logistics with specialized Lighthouse ERP. Track shipments in real time, meet deadlines, and keep consumers informed while boosting efficiency, reducing costs, and accelerates business growth. Lead your business into the future with Lighthouse ERP solutions for the lead and zinc industry. Empower your operations, take control at your fingertips, and excel in every way. Contact us and begin your transformation now.